In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord username. If you'd like to update your Discord username, the process only takes a few minutes. Whether you're rebranding your profile, choosing a new online identity, or simply correcting your current username, Discord makes it easy to make the change from your account settings. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can update your username without any confusion. To get started, open Discord and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Discord screen, look toward the bottom left corner where you'll find your profile information. Click the gear icon to open user settings. This is where you can manage your account preferences, privacy settings, and profile information. After the user settings menu opens, select the account section if it isn't already displayed. In some cases, you may need to disable streamer mode before you can edit your account information. If streamer mode is enabled, turn it off temporarily, then return to the account page to continue. Next, locate your current username and click the Edit button beside it. This will open the editing window where you can update your account details. Select the username field, delete your existing username if necessary, and type the new username you'd like to use. Choose a name that follows Discord's username guidelines and is easy for your friends to recognize. Once you've entered your new username, Discord will ask you to confirm the change by entering your account password. Type your password into the confirmation field, then click Done to continue. This verification step helps protect your account and ensures that only you can make changes to your profile information. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, Discord may also ask you to verify your identity using your Authenticator app. Simply complete the verification process to approve the username change. This additional security measure helps keep your account safe from unauthorized changes. After the verification is complete, close the settings window and return to the main Discord interface. Your new username should now be updated across Discord, and your friends will see your new name wherever your profile appears. That's all there is to it. By opening user settings, editing your account information, confirming your password, and completing any required verification, you can quickly change your Discord username whenever you need to. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,